Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my Sephora Play unboxing, unbagging for the month of January 2018. See what's inside my Sephora Play, then keep on watching. This month's theme apparently looks like it's called Happy You Year, and it plays off again a lot of the other corresponding themes for beauty subscriptions that we've seen so far, which seems to be those things and products that are going to make this year the best year yet. That really took a lot of thought process. But a lot of products that are going to kind of give you the revitalization that you might need after that crazy whirlwind of a holiday season, and just more time to etch for yourself, for self-love, for self-gratitude, for self-compromise, whatever we want to call it. Just a lot of things that are going to help you have your best year yet. What it looks like is that it's a little bit of a calendar and talking about the different things you could do for each month. This is like a little bit of a beauty advent calendar, so to speak. So they have January, February, March, all the months, and talking about different things that you can do to kind of help revitalize your routines to make 2018 the most beautiful year yet. So it looks like for January, it says to drink up, so your skin won't just glow on its own. Use the calculation below to find out how much water you should drink daily and hit that number every day this month. So what you do is you take your weight and you divide it by 2, and that's how many ounces you should drink of water a day. And if that were the case, I roughly hit that, if not a little bit under. I try to aim to at least 100 ounces of water a day. Usually I hit it, sometimes I don't. And to answer that age-old question, yeah, I pee a lot. If anybody knows me, if I'm on a road trip or if I'm anywhere, if I go out, whenever there's a bathroom opportunity, I always take it, just because, like, you never know when you're gonna go again, and I'm somebody who constantly has to pee because of how much water I drink. The first product we're gonna pull out is from Smashbox, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a moisturizer and a primer all in one. So, oh, this is a tiny little bottle. This bottle is also glass, apparently. We know that I've tested Smashbox primers on this channel before, and I like some of them. I've been using my Origins Mattifying Moisturizer since I got it in that Voxbox review, which I'll link down below, and I really haven't strayed away from that because all other moisturizers now just make my skin feel really heavy. But I think this is nice that this is an all-inclusive, so I can skip that step of moisturizing and priming and just do it all in one. This is apparently a new product from Smashbox because we know they have their primers. I don't know if they have moisturizers, but in all, I'm pretty excited to test this out. I've noticed my skin has been a little bit more on the drier side since I have been tanning again, but not anything out of the ordinary, but maybe this will help combat some of that flakiness that I've been seeing down at the bottom of my face, but we'll find out and see. Next, inside our Sephora Play, we have here a product from Glam Glow, and this is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. We already know I love Glam Glow products, so they are among my favorite in skincare, and I can't get, it smells like licorice. It smells pretty delicious, which usually Glam Glow products do smell good. So this is a face cleanser, which is good because I've been on the market for finding a reliable face cleanser, and we know that I love Glam Glow face masks, and I've been wanting to test out to see if their cleansers are worth investing in, because they are a little bit more on the pricier side compared to what I would want to spend on a cleanser. I'm gonna have to definitely start using this and see if it can be incorporated into my routine. Next, inside our Sephora Play, we have a product from Briogeo, and this is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. You guys recall in my Ipsy glam bag for this month, I received the Scalp Revival shampoo, and I wish I got this a little bit sooner because I would have tested the two out together. So this is a deep conditioning mask, and it has a blend of avocado, sweet almond, and argan oils, and vitamin B5 and biotin to help repair damage. My stylist has been telling me to use more products that are going to help replace moisture in my hair because my hair has been so, not damaged, we're on the trajectory of getting back to healthier hair, but because my hair has been fried and because it has been bleached and because I am been trying to take the color lighter, I have been suffering slight breakage in my ends, and I want to kind of help combat that, and I think that this will definitely help. There seems to be a lot, but I don't know how in terms of how thick this is going to run. But yeah, it looks like it's just maybe a one-time sample. Maybe I could get away with doing 2 or 3 because I don't have as much hair now. I'm already a big fan of Briogeo products, so maybe we can add another one to my collection of favorites. Next, inside our Sephora Play, we have here what is this? This is the OLEHENRIKSEN the Hygge HydraClay Detox Mask, and this is a face mask. I'm proud of myself because I knew that that meant Hygge because I read the book, the little book of Hygge. What Hygge is the comforting coziness, things that just make us content, so to speak. If you haven't read the little book of Hygge, I highly suggest it because there's a lot of things that you can take away, and especially living in North America. We're one of those countries that really don't take the time to appreciate or to, I guess, I don't know, take the time to reflect and appreciate the cozy things. I'm really excited to test this out because OLEHENRIKSEN is one of those brands I've seen so often in Sephora. I've never tested out, so this will be my chance to test it out. And ooh, I think Hygge, I think more cozy, and this definitely smells a little floral, which it could just be the clay and all the other good stuff in here because there's kaolin, botanical oils, chamomile flower, just a ton of stuff. So that might explain why I'm getting that florally scent. But yeah, nonetheless, I'm really excited. I have been wanting to incorporate more face masks weekly into my routine, and I have so many I've been cycling through, but I'm excited to add this one in as well. Next inside our Sephora play, we have from Clinique the Pep-Start Eye Cream, and this just looks like your pretty standard eye cream. It looks tiny, and I have tested the Pep-Start collection from Clinique. I tested out their Hydro Blur moisturizer / primer, and I actually just threw it out because I think it was starting to expire because it smelled kind of funky. I'm not somebody who uses eye creams a lot, just because I don't. Honestly, I don't think that that's one of my problem areas just yet, but the best step is the preventative step, and it could be something to start implementing into my routine. The bottle reminds me of the like Carmex like lip balms, like the applicator, because I can just kind of roll it onto the eyes instead of like, you know, taking it from here and then dabbing it on. So yeah, we'll be anxious to see how this is. Eye creams again are one of those frivolous things for me, but I should probably start taking into consideration because I'm gonna be 25 this year and I really don't want wrinkles, and for how much I laugh and smile, it's one of those things that I know is coming. So let's go ahead and avoid that step. Like, let's just go ahead and prevent it. Last item inside our Sephora play this month is from Lancome, and this is the CILS Booster XL, which is a super enhancing mascara base, and this is what it looks like. So this looks like this is just a mascara primer, and truthfully, I don't use mascara primers because I'm fortunate enough to have long lashes as it is. This might be good for those mascaras that just can't get you the exact length that you want. I have tested a Lancome mascara before, and I hated it so much that I threw it out because it just irritated my eyes in the worst way. I like testing out products that I don't normally use. So like mascara primers are definitely something that I don't use that often, which could be something that I start implementing into my routine if it is something that is gonna work. So pretty excited about this, not gonna lie. Just realized that we didn't get a perfume sample. Starting to wonder if maybe that's something they're doing away from. And if that's the case, that's a little disappointing because I do like cycling through perfume samples. It's so hard to test perfume out, and I don't like spending money on perfumes, especially if it's something that I'm not sure I'm gonna like. So, you know, that's why I would love that receiving them in my Sephora plays every month with something new, and I would be able to base on my decisions if that was something I wanted to try and buy. I really hope Sephora isn't doing away with it, but in fact that like they're gonna continue, or if it is an option, just because I like the perfume sample. I usually don't because like the Sephora has a hard time hitting what my style or what my scent style is, but it's something I appreciate. But yeah, anyway, that's all the products inside my Sephora play this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I get new play boxes. I think in general this month's bag was definitely, I definitely think they hit their mark when it came to products that are going to kind of help revitalize our routines and self-love and etc. I definitely think that that's in good intentions, and I think this month's bag, I think I'm gonna give this month's bag, if I'm gonna be completely honest, I think I'm gonna give this month's bag a B. There are some things in there I am excited to test out, but that lack of perfume sample is really throwing me off. I really hope that that is something that they're gonna bring back, and maybe this was just like new year, new you, let's give you more beauty products. But instead, I'd rather really see that perfume sample inside with 5 other products. But that's just me. But I will be sure to do a full vlog review for you guys, and you guys can check that out at the website at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's. And I'll link all of my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care. Love you always. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.